Hot and cold side intercooler charge pipe kit installation guide. Disassembly. Step 1. Disconnect battery negative terminal. Step 2. Disconnect the surge valve connector on the hot side. Dismount both push mount clips, securing the harness. Step 3. Remove the mounting bracket bolts securing the hot side tube. Step 4. Disengage the surge valve hose. Step 5. Loosen the turbo compressor outlet clamp and disengage the coupler. Step 6. Loosen the hot side tube lower clamp and remove the tube. Step 7. Disconnect the map sensor connector on the cold side. Step 8. Disconnect the vacuum line from the cold side tube. Step 9. Loosen the clamp and disengage the upper cold side coupler from the throttle plate housing. Step 10. Loosen the hot side tube lower clamp and remove the tube. Step 11. Remove the front skid plate. Step 12. Disengage both intercooler quick connects and lower charge air hoses by prying the steel wire clip open and pulling the hose back. Installation. Step 1. Prepare the PPE charge air pipes by transferring the factory map sensor to the PPE cold pipe. Step 2. Slide the cold side upper coupler onto the cold pipe and pre-install 273 to 81 millimeter clamps to the coupler. Step 3. Apply some lubricant to the quick connect O-rings. Transfer the factory surge valve to the PPE hot pipe. Secure with 3 supplied bolts. Step 4. Install both quick connects onto the intercooler. Attach the cold side lower elbow to the cold side quick connect with the small end facing the intercooler. Pre-install a 67 to 75 millimeter clamp to the bottom and a 73 to 81 millimeter clamp to the top. Step 5. Install the cold side pipe and upper coupler assembly onto the throttle plate housing and the cold side lower elbow. Tighten down all the cold side clamps. Step 6. Reconnect the map sensor harness and the vacuum line. Step 7. Install the hot side upper coupler to the compressor outlet. Secure lower connection using the 54 to 62 millimeter clamp. Pre-install a 67 to 75 millimeter clamp to the top. Step 8. Install the PPE hot pipe onto the upper coupler. Secure the mounting bracket using the supplied bolt. Step 9. Pre-install 2 67 to 75 millimeter clamps to the hot side lower elbow coupler. Install the elbow coupler to the hot side pipe and the hot side quick connect. Tighten both clamps. Step 10. Reconnect the surge valve hose. Reattach the harness clips. Tighten both clamps on the hot side upper coupler. Step 11. Reconnect battery negative terminal and reinstall the skid plate. Installation complete.